Good afternoon. My name is Wendell Joyner. I'm the owner of Joyner's Driving Improvement School here in the Hampton Roads area. We are a full service driving training and driver improvement school. Well, in this line of business, being an entrepreneur as a driving school owner, it's a great task. But I also worked in a full-time job in that capacity as well. So I didn't have the time to actually do the online website and keep up with everything. So it's very important that I found someone or a service that would actually take on the role of actually managing the website for me. So with driving school marketing, I found that all in one, and it was a great adventure that we got into. So driving school marketing was a great addition to our team. Problem solved. I do not have to worry about my website being online, offline, content not being correct. When you look at it, well, most of the time, this is what I get. I get a lot of reviews, and most of the people on the reviews are telling me that, hey, man, your website looks outstanding. I was like, yeah, okay, of course. I got it from Driving School Marketing. It's gonna be excellent. So it took a lot of time to go into the website, to the planning and development. It is simple, it's clean, and the thing mostly about it is the optimization about it. Anybody could design a website. They have a lot of templates out there that you could design as a website. Well, frankly, I done my own website before I started with Driving School Marketing, but the results are not the same. My end result was profit. The end result with them, with the optimization and everything that they done to do on the back end, there's a lot that goes into the back end. Driving School Marketing has accomplished that. And right now we are very busy. They're keeping us in business. So I hope to have this as a long-lasting relationship with Driving School Marketing. Awesome job, guys. Well, at first, I was kind of hesitant about actually joining forces with someone, far as giving them the back end of our website, because the website is what really propels you to the next level. It's actually the key to all of your sources. So to actually have someone to have control of that part of it, I was very alarmed by that. But me and the owner, Mr. Josh, with Driving School Marketing, we had several conversations, and he assured me that they would take on the responsibility and they would do a great job at doing so. And over the time, we didn't agree at first, but over the time we came to agree, and now it's been almost 5 years, and Driving School Marketing has been managing my website, and I can say they've been doing an outstanding job with the tasks that they were faced with and the challenges that they were faced with. They have overcome all of them, because this is a specialty industry. This is not like any other industry that you do marketing for. Marketing in this industry alone, it requires more than just digital and the billboards. You have to know the industry, and Driving School Marketing knows the industry. Hey, I don't want to put too much out there to make Josh and Driving School Marketing seem all puffy about this thing, because next week then my rate's gonna go through the roof. But for real, I would say at least 40% of what is being done on the back end really contributes to my back end, because people are now coming in and they're telling me, we always ask, where did you find us at? It was like Google. I was like, what? It was like Google. Everywhere you turn around, somebody is finding me on Google. In the Hampton Roads area, it's pretty spread out. So of course I can't get out there and do the leg work with all the passing out of the flyers. So you need a website that can reach people. The optimization and the way that they have the back end is really doing a good job. And hopefully it does an even better job throughout the course of the time. So yeah, Josh, this one's for you. 40%. Maybe a little bit less, depends on my rates. So thanks a lot for that, y'all. Yes, of course, I would recommend Driving School Marketing to other driving schools, because I feel that if you are spending money, you need to get a quality service when you are out there spending money. And the one thing that we have different from anyone else, whether we're using Driving School Marketing or anybody else, we have Joyner's Driving Improvement Team. We have a team of professionals that stands out, and they do a great job in our industry. So it doesn't matter if we're using the same website designer or not. I think my team is doing a great job, and I think we stand out like the Philadelphia Eagles did this year. All right.